Can't turn it over. Field goal here makes it a 2-possession game. Here comes the pressure.
Kaepernick looked one way. Blocked by Staley. To the end zone, wide open, touchdown! Quinton Patton. First career touchdown reception.
Well, bad things happen for a defense when you allow a quarterback to scramble around like this. Kaepernick's going to work all the way back to his right. You're going to see the receiver, Patton, in the back of the end zone. Sharice Wright falls. And he is wide open.
If that was Sharice Wright's man, that is the second touchdown he has allowed today.